Welcome to Daily IQ. Today 18th June 2024. In this video, we will teach you top 12 current affairs MCQ with detailed explanation. For daily current affairs video, please subscribe this channel and bell the notification icon.
Question number 1. What is India's rank in the Environment Performance Index 2024?
Answer is India's rank 176th. According to the 2024 Environment Performance Index, EPI, India is ranked 176th out of 180 countries with an EPI score of 27.6, surpassing only Pakistan, Vietnam, Laos and Myanmar. Estonia tops the 2024 EPI with an EPI score of 75.3, followed by Luxembourg, Germany, Finland and United Kingdom. Previously, India was ranked 180th in the EPI 2022 and 168th in the EPI 2020.
Question number 2. Which country became the most represented nation in the University Impact Rankings 2024?
Answer is India. India has become the most represented nation in the Times Higher Education, the University Impact Rankings 2024 with 96 entries. Amrita Vishwa Vidyapeetham in Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu, ranked 81st, tops among the Indian universities featured on the list. India is followed by Turkey with 91 universities and Pakistan with 89 universities respectively. The 2024 ranking is topped by the Western Sydney University in Australia.
Question number 3. Which city has become India's hottest city?
Answer is Prayagraj. Prayagraj, in Uttar Pradesh, breaks all records to become India's hottest city, with the highest maximum temperature of 47.6 degrees Celsius on 16 June 2024, the Indian Meteorological Department, IMD, said in a press release. After Prayagraj, Jhansi recorded the maximum temperature of 47.1 degrees Celsius, followed by Kanpur IAF station, with 46.8 degrees Celsius, and Varanasi, with 46.8 degrees Celsius. Talking about the national capital, the maximum temperature recorded was 46.3 degrees Celsius in Ridge, Delhi.
Question number 4. Which state became first state to give 1 crore rupees accident insurance compensation?
Answer is Karnataka. Karnataka has become the first state in India to announce 1 crore rupees in insurance compensation for employees who die in road accidents. The Karnataka State Road Transport Department has disbursed 1 crore rupees each as accident insurance relief compensation to the dependents of 4 employees who lost their lives in the line of duty. Additionally, 10 lakh rupees in compensation has also been given to 23 dependents of employees who passed away due to various illnesses while in service.
Question number 5. Who is set to become the 6th country to have its own deep sea mission?
Answer is India. India is set to become the 6th country to have its own deep sea mission. The National Institute of Ocean Technology has developed Matsyayan 6000, which could go 6,000 meter deep into the ocean. Titanium hull has been developed for this mission in association with ISRO to bear the extreme pressure. The first phase of the mission is likely to be completed by September 2024, and subsequent trials will be conducted by 2026.
Question number 6. Which state police has launched the Mission Nishchay?
Answer is Punjab. Punjab Police in association with the Border Security Force, BSF, and Village Defense Committees, VDCs, will carry out a one-week drive against drugs in Fazilka district. During the drive, named as Mission Nishchay, police officers will fan out in villages in Fazilka district from June 15 to 21 and interact with residents. They will reach out to residents of as many as 42 villages along the India-Pakistan border.
Question number 7. Which medal has Indian women's table tennis team won in the BRICS tournament?
Answer is bronze. India has won its first medal at the BRICS Games, which were held in Kazan, Russia. The women's table tennis team, consisting of Poimanti Baisya, Momita Datta, and Yashini Shivshankar, clinched a bronze medal, marking India's first medal at the event. The Indian mains team, comprising Anirban Ghosh, Jeet Chandra, and Snehit Surwajula, secured 5th place.
Question number 8. Who wrote the book titled A Fly on the RBI Wall?
Answer is Alpana Killawala. When Alpana Killawala joined the Reserve Bank of India, RBI, the bank's communication department was just beginning to take shape. Her book, A Fly on the RBI Wall, An Insider's View of the Central Bank, offers an insightful glimpse into her journey and the institution's transformation over 25 years.
Question number 9. Who has received the V. Shantaram Lifetime Achievement Award for 2024?
Answer is Subbya Nallamuthu. Subbya Nallamuthu was presented the prestigious V. Shantaram Lifetime Achievement Award at the 18th Mumbai International Film Festival, MIF, 2024. He made exceptional contributions to wildlife cinematography, earning him global acclaim. His passion for the Royal Bengal tiger. His prolific filmography includes Tiger Dynasty, 2012 to 2013, Tiger Queen, 2010, and The World's Most Famous Tiger, 2017.
Question number 10. India will host its first multinational air exercise, Tarang Shakti 2024 on.
Answer is August 2024. The Indian Air Force's first multinational air exercise, Tarang Shakti 2024, will be held in August 2024. It is inspired by the Red Flag exercise hosted by the US. There is a high possibility that around 10 countries will participate in the Tarang Shakti exercise. Some other countries will also be there as observers. The last expected time of scheduling Tarang Shakti exercise was end of 2023, but due to some reason it had to be deferred.
Question number 11. Autistic Pride Day is observed every year on.
Answer is 18th June. Every year, Autistic Pride Day is observed on 18th June globally to create awareness about autism. Theme of the Autistic Pride Day 2024 is Taking the Mask Off. The day is represented by a rainbow infinity symbol, which denotes the infinite possibilities that autistic people have. Autistic Pride Day was first celebrated in Brazil in 2005 at the initiative of an organization named Aspies for Freedom.
Question number 12. International Day of Countering Hate Speech is observed every year on.
Answer is 18th June. 18th June is the first International Day for Countering Hate Speech. Hate speech is on the rise worldwide, with the potential to incite violence, undermine social cohesion and tolerance, and cause psychological, emotional, and physical harm to those affected. In July 2021, the United Nations General Assembly proclaimed 18th June as the International Day for Countering Hate Speech, which will be marked for the first time in 2022. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.